Now, even though the housing market is picking up, there are still many homeowners on the verge of losing their houses. One California company offering to help has been told to knock it off by the state. 7 on Your Side's Michael Finney is here now to explain that for us.
Yeah, this company is pretty well known around the state, and it has a web presence. What it doesn't possess is a real estate license. Here's the website, impressively done, and the pitch seems solid. PRG Systems transformed default and foreclosure into equity and lower payments.
What does that notice?
It didn't work that way for Felipe Carranza. That's a repossession note on his front door. He's packing up and leaving his San Diego home, even though he paid PRG Systems to help make the foreclosure stop.
I just really want my house back.
There have been complaints against PRG here in the Bay Area, too. The San Diego-based company is accused of offering to help stressed homeowners hang on to their houses, and now the state is moving in.
He's doing the solicitation of borrowers and helping them with modification of those or with the sale of their homes. And he's doing that for money, for expectation of compensation.
The state filed an order to desist and refrain. PRG's owner, Pablo Gonzalez, responded that he is not representing clients. He is an investor, that seminars he offers are not under the control of the Department of Real Estate, so he doesn't need a license.
In 1981, we revoked his real estate license for violating the real estate law.
This is not Gonzalez's first run-in with the state. His real estate license was taken away nearly 30 years ago, and a restitution fund paid out cash related to Gonzalez's real estate dealings.
The allegation is that he collected an earnest money deposit in a real estate transaction and converted that deposit for his own use.
So he took the money?
He took the money.
A hearing will now be set, and the Department of Real Estate and Gonzalez will duke it out. We will keep track of this and we'll report back, but it does speak to the complexity of today's housing market. Bottom line, if you run into a problem keeping your house, start with a nonprofit. We have some listed on our website. Just go to abc7news.com.
Okay.